All right, folks, welcome back. So you are looking at a sink drain, and above that combi is a double fixture fitting. So there are two sinks back to back, right? So let's follow this up and over the joist, or floor beam, and then it comes right here. This is a clean out, and then so this goes all the way down, and it ties in to the 4-inch main right there. So what's been going on is, this has been going on for about a year, is that this area right here, most likely the combi, keeps getting plugged up, and it is extremely hard to get a snake through here. And it's not in the horizontal here, it's somewhere up in here. So the owner has decided to cut this out because this has been a recurring issue for years. Every 8 months or so, we have to come over here and snake this fricker out. So we're cutting it from down here all the way across and then back down to the sewer. All right, the first connection has been made. Now, let's go over here and connect that clean out. Ugh. We are grinding down that combi so we can get a no-hub band on there. Okay, so there it is. It's the kitchen drain, goes all the way across, and then that's clean out, goes down, goes all the way around, and then ties in the 4-inch right there. We got plenty of pitch, and we won't have any more issues here, folks.